the challenge now for us is to keep doing it all, keep doing it smart, and keep doing it consistently. Recognizing the vaccine is coming, it's fantastic. But the vaccine is not the immediate solution. The vaccine is going to take time. The cavalry is coming, yes, but it's going to come, it's going to come slowly and in a planned way, we hope. So that for me is what the challenge I think we face going forward. And also we still have challenges in equity. I mean, we can't escape the reality that we are struggling to get the resources we need to ensure that we get vaccine for everyone who needs it. So some people in all countries rather than all people in some countries. That's a fact. And we have a choice to make as a global society. We have health workers all over the world who have fought in the front line for the last year. Has a health worker in an African country, or a health worker in Cox's Bazar, or a health worker in a refugee camp, or a health worker in Venezuela, or a health worker in Bolivia, are they contributed just as much as a health worker in Europe or North America? They have. They've stood in the front line. So when we start distributing vaccines, when we say health workers are a priority, does that mean only some health workers? Or is that all health workers? We have some questions to ask ourselves over the holiday period. And when we talk about older and more vulnerable people, does that mean older and more vulnerable people in developed countries, or is that older and more vulnerable people everywhere? Our deal, the deal we put to the world, was some people in all countries. And those some people are the ones at highest risk and the highest vulnerability and the highest risk of dying. And we have to make good on that, or we will not be the world that we want to become. We want to become a fairer, more equitable world. We want to become a world that can tackle climate change and share responsibility for solutions and share responsibility for the things we want for the future. This is the first opportunity to demonstrate we can do that fairly and equitably. And I still have my concerns. I am deeply hopeful that we have the means in place to do it. But I have to say, coming into the Christmas period, it's time for us all to hold ourselves and our governments to account for that promise. Because that's a promise we've made to the world.